Hey parents, do you have a child aged 10 to 12 or a teen between 13 and 17? We're kicking off our new season with online tests for both these age groups. Parents must complete the registration in advance. So go to jeopardy.com now for a list of audition cities and eligibility information. How your kid gets on Jeopardy. How does one celebrate being a big winner on Jeopardy? Let's find out. David Gard from Massachusetts. How did you celebrate?
Well, my mother had recently moved into a new retirement community, so we staged a Jeopardy event my first evening there. I stood on the stage, did a quick Q&A for them all, and then the show played, and my mother said it was the best attended event of the season.
Good for you and good for her. We're very happy. Monica Pugh from Dallas, a psychology student who was invited to your college's annual what?
Honors banquet. It's typically a thing for scholarship winners and people who win like prestigious internships, but they decided, hey, Jeopardy's pretty cool. So I don't know if you remember, but I tried to extend my invitation to use the guest of honor.
And I was unavailable, but you did put a reel together, right?
I did. They had me put a highlight reel together, and I tried to throw in most of my wins and then a couple of my wrong answers too, because I'm human, just like everyone else.
Some of your mistakes, I never allow them to put in my mistakes. Never. And I make a lot of them. Jason Keller, what about you? You did something interesting. You took your check, which you received from us, and you scanned it?
Yes, I did. And I got my check just before the American Crossword Puzzle tournament. I went to the tournament, and I ended up winning the prize, so I got another check from Will Shorts, and I scanned that in, and those two images of checks are occupying the same frame.
Okay, and how much did you win on the crossword tournament?
$25.
And how much did you win again? Okay, yeah, just the same, just the same. All right, Monica, you're in command of the board right now, young lady. Please make a selection for us.
Should I ask for six, please?
Answer, daily double. There you go. Even with any or all of your
I'm so
1800.
excited, Alex. I'm going to make it a true daily double.
All right. Doesn't take much to get you excited, obviously. In 1986, the United States issued the first patent on a plant used for genetic engineering. A hybrid of this green.
Is this wheat?
Oh, no, sorry. It was corn. Corn, yeah, all right, still plenty of time. Go again.
Genetics 800.
Way faster than it used to be. It's the act of determining a series of A, C, A, G, A, T, G, C, C, and with it, your genetic blueprint. Monica?
What is sequencing a genome?
You are right.
Genetics for 1,000.
This test performed between the 15th and 18th weeks of pregnancy can detect fetal genetic disorders. Monica?
Amniocentesis.
You are right, and you're 1800 again.
Musicals for 8.
2006, Garden State Guides. Jason?
What is Jersey Boys?
That's correct.
Musical for 1,000.
1970, a round of clapping. David? Yes.
And important question, 200.
James Russell Lowell asked, what is so rare as a day in this month? David?
What is June?
June, yep.
And important question, 400.
A poem by him says, when can their glory fade? Oh, the wild charge they made. Jason?
Who is Tennyson?
Alfred Lord Tennyson. That's it.
Who wants a sandwich for